I'm Chef Mehdi. I'm gonna show you how to slice apples. Here we have an apple. We're gonna take a chef's knife and cut it right down the middle and lay it flat, cut side down. Next, you wanna cut it again right down the middle and turn the cut side to the right. I'm gonna remove these to the side. So depending on how you're gonna use it, you're gonna vary the thickness of the cut. But first you want to just cut the core out using a slight angle on the chef's knife and then go for the slices. Again, if I was going to cook an apple pie, I would probably do a thicker cut so they can withstand the heat. Or if I was gonna do a salad, perhaps a thinner cut. And again, if you were going to use it in a pie or cook it, I would recommend peeling it first. And that's how you slice an apple.